Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the procedure to register for the GATE 2026. So type GATE 2026 in the web browser. We will be having the GATE 2026 screen. Here, the important dates are given. In the important dates, the online application for the GATE registration, it is opened on August 28. Closing date for the registration without late fee is September 28th. And closing date with late fee is October 9, 2025. So now the application portal is open. Let us see how to apply for GATE 2026. So once you click on the application portal, you will have this screen. Before logging in, you have to register. So click on the register here button. Once you do that, you will have to type your name. Then you have to confirm the name which you have typed. Once you do that, it will ask to enter the mail ID. Again, you have to type the same mail ID. So you have to choose your country of residence. India is already, India will come as default. If you are belonging to other nation, then you have to choose other. Then you have to type your mobile number. Again, you have to type the same number. Then you have to choose your own password. Then you have to enter the So if the password does not match, it will give an error message. You have to type the same password here. So here you have to perform the arithmetic equation. You have to find the answer for this and enter the answer. And then you can click on the register button. Once you have completed the registration, you will get this window. Now you have to click on the continue button to continue for the registration. So we have to enter our mail ID, then the password which we have already entered. Again, the answer for the arithmetic expression, and then we have to log in. So once you do that, you will be having this welcome screen. You can click on the information voucher and you can read the poster of the GATE 2026 information voucher and the newspaper advertisement. So you can, then you'll be having the another link which will give you the information about the documents that are required to complete the registration process. In the document, you have to read all these things. You need the personal details like a name, date of birth, phone number, name and mobile number of the parent or guardian. These informations you have to enter. And then you have to enter the address for communication, including the PIN code, and then details of the eligibility degree, then institute or college name, choices of GATE test papers, choices of 3 GATE examination cities from the same zone. And then you have to enter the net banking or valid details for fee payment. Then while doing the registration, you need to have the documents required. That is, you should have a good quality email. So after reading all these things, you have to click on the declaration, and then you have to start filling up the GATE application. So here, the exam details are given. You can choose any one paper or any two paper. So if you are choosing the one paper, then you can choose your paper code. So let me choose electrical engineering. Or in case if you are choosing two paper, then the electrical engineering, you can, the first paper is chosen as electrical engineering. The second paper can be any of the 4 papers. So let me choose one paper and proceed. registration. Now we have to choose the examination city. City 1, we are going to choose. The city which I'm going to choose here is the Chennai. And for the city 2, we can choose any other city. So I'm going to choose the city 2 as Puducherry. And then the city 3, we have to choose one more city. So let me choose the city 3 as Vellore. So once all these things are entered, you can save. And then you can go to the next section. So here you'll be having some enrollment ID. This ID, you can have a note. Then your name is visible here. If you have done any mistake on your name, you can edit your name. Then you have a tab, verify email address. This is to ensure that whether the mail ID which you have given is a valid mail ID. Then again, you'll be having a verify mobile number where with this you will be receiving a message to check whether the entered mobile number is correct. Now you have to choose the date of birth. And then you have to choose the month of birth. Then you have to choose your year of the birth. Once you choose the correct date, month, and year, you can click on the confirm date. So the date of birth as reported, it will be needed during the GATE exam. Please continue to confirm your date of birth. So check and confirm the date of birth. Again, you have to choose your gender. Then a default nationality will be Indian. If you are belonging to any other nation, you can choose other. Then you have to choose the category. So you have to be very careful in choosing the category so that it will be reflected in your scorecard. So let me choose OBC NCL here. And whether you have any disability. So defaultly it will be in no. If you have any PWD, then you have to choose yes. So let me choose here no. Then the country of residence you have to choose. State you have to choose. Then a valid photo ID. So that you will be having the options of uploading the photo ID as a Aadhaar, driving license, PAN card, passport, anything you can have. Let me choose Aadhaar ID. And your the Aadhaar ID we have entered as the valid photo ID. So you have to enter here the Aadhaar number. And then you have to enter the parent name of the parent you have to enter. And then you have to choose the relationship of the name which you have already entered here. Then the nationality of the parent or guardian you have to enter. Then mobile number of the parent. So let me choose +91 for India, and then we have to enter the mobile number of the parent. Once you enter the number, you can save. Now you have to enter the address for correspondence. First, you have to enter the zip code of the address. Then you will have to choose the country and then the state and the address first line. And then second line of the address. And the third line, which is optional. And then you'll be having the city and the town. So let me enter Chennai. So after that, you will be having the next page in which you have to enter the college PIN code. Where your college is located, that PIN code you have to enter here. Let me enter the same PIN code. And then assuming that my address is same near to the college, then you can choose the, you can enter the roll number of the or registration number of your degree which you are pursuing. So like this number can be your student ID number, or it can be of college ID number, or it can be of registration number of your exam. So let me enter some number. Then the qualifying degree you have to choose here. There are many options available, BE, BBSc, varying from, and if you're belonging to any postgraduate degree, you can choose any one of these, and you can have these many number of options. Let me choose first option, which is BE. Then the qualifying degree. Here again, you will be having the degree of your study. So let me choose here the degree as electrical and electronics engineering. And have you graduated in the above degree? If you have already completed your degree, you can choose yes here. If you are not, if you are a student, then you can choose no. And you can choose the year of qualifying exam. If we choose year 2026, degree of awarding, degree of your award, the university which is giving you the degree. You can choose here. Let me choose here the Anna University, and the college name you can enter here. Now you can upload the required documents. So you have to choose the image with the size as specified here. The desired width of the image will be 250 by 580. So you can approximately have that image between 250 to 850 megapixel, and you have to be very careful that the signature should cover at least 70% of the background. Then you can you have to upload the photo ID. We have already given that Aadhaar ID, so you have to upload your Aadhaar ID. Now you have to choose the source from where you got the information about the GATE 2026. So you can have all these options. I'm here going to insert internet search, and you have to answer for what purpose you're appearing for GATE 2026. Either it can be higher studies, PSU, or preparation of exam. I'm choosing here higher studies, and you have to before submitting the application, you have to click on the review button. Once you do the review button, you can see all the details which are already filled. So again, you can check for the same, and you can submit the button. So once you do the submission, once you click on the review and submit button, you'll be having this tab. Here you have to click on the check box. You have to read the information brochure before that, and then you have to read the again as detailed in the information brochure. So after clicking on the check box, you can write your name as the signature, and you can submit the application. And before that, you have to click on the verify application form, and then you have to submit the button. Once you click on the verify application form, you'll be having a PDF of the application which you have already filled. That will be downloaded. You can verify all the details in the PDF, and then if you have done any mistake, you can click on the previous button to edit the mistakes. Once everything is done, you can click on the submit and proceed payment. So you'll be having this notification, data 1 submitted cannot be modified. So if you have done everything correct, you can press yes to submit, or you can press no to go back and edit the application. So once you press yes, you will be having the screen where once you press the submit, you'll be having the screen. So here you can have a make note of this screen. So for any further clarification, you can contact the email address, contact numbers, everything, help desk, all these things. You can have make a note of it, or you can have this page as you can save this page as PDF copy, and you can for further reference. Once you do everything, you can proceed with the payment. So you can choose any one of the following mode of payment, and you can choose your payment mode, and you can proceed for the payment. So after the payment, your application is fully submitted. After that, you are ready to appear for the GATE exam. So with this, the entire application process is over. After payment, be you will be getting the application form. In the application form, you'll be getting the registration form where you'll be having the status of payment. So if you're not paying with this without payment, again you'll be having the same PDF which you got during the review application with the statement that payment is pending. If you finish the payment, then you will be getting the successful application where after that you will be given the hall ticket before the exam. So with this, everything is over. So you can directly appear for the GATE exam after downloading your hall ticket, which you can download from the website using your login credentials. Thank you.